Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I've got this Polaris RZR Pro R, and we just wrapped up an install video for the Tusk full glass windshield. So I want to talk about some of the features and things that we like about this windshield for the Pro R. In fact, we have 3 different glass windshields to choose from for the Pro R. There's the full glass, there's the full view glass windshield, and there's also the folding glass. And we're going to talk about the differences between the 3 to help you make a good decision. But with this one specifically, what's nice is that the install on this windshield is very simple. It integrates very well with the OEM roof. We'll talk about the install more here in just a moment, but you can see it's built extremely well. It's a powder-coated 1/8-inch thick aluminum frame. The glass is a laminated safety auto glass, just like your car or your truck's windshield. So the durability, the clarity is phenomenal. It comes with a 16-inch wiper blade. What's nice too is that this glass does have a slight tint to it, so it's just a little bit easier on your eyes on those bright sunny days. And another feature that is awesome with this windshield is the vent. So on the inside here, you can open and close this vent right at the hood. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is rad. When you have this open, and what's nice too is that you can just have it barely cracked, or you can have that thing wide open. But with that thing open, it is amazing how much airflow you can get going into the cab, because we love a full windshield. We love it because it blocks the elements and cold temperatures. It keeps the wind off of you. It adds comfort. But there's going to be times where you're still going to want airflow into the cab, whether you're combating dust or it's just hot outside, you're trying to stay cool. So it's nice to have that vent on there and be able to control how open you have that. Now, like I said, the install process, very, very simple. In fact, you just have 2 low profile clamps down here at the bottom of the roll cage. So 1 bolt on each side. And then up here at the top, you just have these bolts that go right through the OEM roof into the windshield. It is that simple. And we have done a ton of durability testing with these, driving aggressive, high speeds. It holds up extremely well. We've even got the Tusk pivoting folding mirrors here. Again, those are using the low profile roll cage clamps that integrate really nicely with this as well. If you're trying to enclose your cab as much as possible, if you look at the back, we also have the glass rear window from Tusk that's installed on this Pro R as well. Now, like I said, there's 3 different glass options. You have this one we just showed you. There's the full view glass windshield, and that one's pretty unique because there's no frame on it. So your field of view is phenomenal. You don't even realize that you have a windshield on your Pro R when you have that installed. Really, the only thing you're giving up going to the full view is that you don't have this vent down here at the bottom. And then you also have the folding glass windshield, which, just like the name says, in the times that maybe you don't want a windshield at all, if you want just maximum airflow going through the cab, it folds completely down on some brackets that you install right here onto the hood, completely out of sight, out of the way, maximum airflow. So no matter what your needs are, what you're looking for in a windshield, we are going to have an option for you. We even have half polycarbonate windshields from Tusk for the Pro R as well. So to see all the different options, very simple, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And while you're there, if you want to see everything that will fit your Pro R, it's simple. Just click the year, make, and model on the home page. You'll see these windshields, the mirrors, the rear window, everything that we have. If you want to stay up to date on videos like this, please subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.